Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to solve a very tricky question. So here the one question which has come from my one of a student. So the lot of people I have also seen that sometimes they do receive the data of any numbers or any string values, right? And there are some spaces which cannot be removed with the function of trim, okay, which the lot of people usually knows, right? So here that's what actually I have brought out, okay, and in this video we are gonna see, okay, such a issues and we will solve it together. So here we will be removing the tricky spaces in the Excel, okay. So those things we will be doing it and we will be fixing it out, okay, through VBA. All right, and apart from that, on the right hand side, that you can also see that my two courses combo course are going to be started effective 5th of April 26, and the course fees for both the course is 10K and the single course will be of 7K. So there are some limited seats are only available, okay, and you guys may contact on the given email address. All right, and also you may join my WhatsApp group in the description box. From there you can directly join my group. Then you can drop in a message and we can contact. All right, so now let's start solving this question. So here I do have some data. For example, these are some numbers, right? And I do have some spaces like this. Okay, this is something which I have copied and pasted from the Outlook. Okay, and here for example, if I'm using equal to trim, okay, and you guys can see the spaces are not being removed. All right, and that's what actually we are going to fix it out. So we are going to create our own UDF function. So there are the different type of spaces we do have in the Excel, right? So 32, so we are not going we are not going deeply, okay, to understand, right, what type of spaces are there. So there are some spaces in the Excel which are visible, okay, which exist, but we cannot consider those things as a spaces, right? So in those scenarios, I'm just roughly telling you about it. So in those scenarios, what happen, our trim function gets failed, okay. So that's what actually we are going to solve it. So now, okay, here I'm pressing alt F11. I already have added the module. I am writing my code in the option explicit mode. All right, now let's create the function remove an extra spaces. All right, rng as range. Now this will be very small, the code which will solve a big problem. So here we will be declaring the three variable dim, k as an integer, we will be using it for loop, and ch as character, we will be storing here as a character. We will be storing each character, all right, so that we can loop in out. And after that, we will be concatenating in str as string. For example, str equal to 0, I mean blank, then our loop should start from the one character to maximum character we do have in the selected cell value. So rng will be your selected cell value, okay, on whatever cell that you will be applying this function. So here in ch I'm going to store the every single character we do have in that particular cell. So rng comma k comma 1. If not, then open. This is something which will be little you will have to look at very consciously, okay, so that you can have a good understanding about this line. So this line is going to be very impactful, okay, to solve this question. So if not sh like space, okay, space you have to give, or then ASCW, and here you will have to keep this line in your mind to solve this question. Then ch is equal to 160. 160 is the space type, okay, and there are 32, there are some space type like 32, 160, and there are some the hex coding as well we do have, which we sometimes use in the Excel in the Unicode function, okay. So here then again, or ASW ch is greater than equal to ampersand h hex, h stands for hex 2000, and then ASHW again ch less than equal to ampersand hex 200b. Okay, then this line you will have to write. Okay, and after that store every character. If this condition gets meet, store it in this way. Okay, now here in the function remove SCR. Okay, this is the function which will help you out to solve, to solve this question. Any kind of spaces if you will have, for example I do have these spaces. For example, I'm right here, remove extra spaces. So you look, as soon as I applied, my all the spaces now have been removed. This function, this code will help you a lot. Okay, which will be very helpful for you guys. Okay, this is the code and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. If you guys will get stuck anywhere that this space is still there are some spaces, because this is the data which I have, which I have prepared myself. If you guys have some different data on which this function is not working, you guys let me know in the description box, or I also will I also do have my email address in the description box. From there you guys can contact me directly. Okay, so that we can solve it. Okay, so here this is something which will definitely help you a lot without any issue. All right, if you face any issue, let me know guys. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. We will meet in the next video with the new topic. All right, so thanks a lot. Thank you very much.